Go ahead with that.
English Urdu mix.
Oh yeah, go ahead with it. We like it, okay? We just want you to be confident to speak English, even if it is mixed with Pashto or Urdu or whatever, okay?
My morning routine सुबह pigeon chidi mari.
Okay, very good.
I am a big badmash.
Very good, okay. You are badmash. You can be a badmash, but you are not big actually.
Chicken badmash.
Okay.
Big नहीं sir जी, small badmash.
You are a badmash or your chicken is a badmash? What?
सर जी I have a सुबह उठना है ओली कुरान पढ़ना
Very good.
मस्जिद फ्रॉम नमाज पढ़ना 4 वक्त की नमाज
Very good.
5 वक्त की
Very good.
for सर जी I have a British money for 400 रुपये चिड़मारी कबूतर बेचा है
Okay. For a single day.
for snooker.
Okay. You get 400 rupees a day.
Yes sir.
Every day. What is your father doing?
My father doing taxi
You
business.
Oh, you are a business owner. That is why you can have it.
Catch the
Catch the pigeon and tapa.
So you are kind of smuggler. Yeah. Pigeon catcher. He's a pigeon catcher. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes.
For shikari.
Yes.
Shikari.
Shikari, not shikari actually.
That is not
Theft. This act is actually theft. You are going live, and whosoever pigeon in the gola will go off the screen. They will come to you and they will grab you, and you will get punished. Okay. Now go ahead.
Sir ji, I go to a washroom
Okay. Good.
for my best friend is Samir Shah for Lahore गया है.
Now again. So you are tuning the channels very fast. People will not be getting you what you are talking about.
He's asking me, he's ill.
Ill?
Sir ji, I have a note English for Chinese zuban.
What?
Chinese zuban I note English and for Chinese zuban.
So you,
Yes,
you can
sir.
speak Chinese. But
Shusha Shitali Taiban.
So where it's very what did you say?
इसका मतलब किधर जा रहे हो?
Okay. Where and how did you learn it?
सही बोला
No,
है.
he's speaking right. Okay. Where and how did you learn Chinese?
सही Chinese. Shusha Shitali Taiban के फार.
Where and how did you learn Chinese?
My best friend for
Okay. So he's a Chinese?
yes sir. Abdullah.
Is he a Chinese?
My मोहल्ले में. सर जी उधर जा रहा था उसके साथ तो बस सीख गया वहाँ दिया उसने मुझे सिखाई है.
So how much? कितना सीखी? कितनी सीखी चाहिए?
सर जी आधी
हाँ?
आधी सीखी है.
आधी से सीखी. Okay.
Sir, two people can fly in the kite, so that can police or catch this man and that arrest.
I have वहाँ पे पुलिस.
You are a police? How?
Sir, Shah's father is the policeman because he is asking, I have policeman.
Who is Shah?
Muhammad Shah,
So is he his friend? Oh yeah.
the
So
cousin.
you got police at your home. That is why you are not afraid. Yes. Most of the time, illegal things will be done by the people whom duty is to. Yes.
Of course. And that can pay jurmana and leave.
मुझे नमाज पढ़ी इजाज़त.
What?
मुझे नमाज पसंद है इजाज़त. लाहौर पिंडी इस्लामाबाद इजाज़त और फ्लाइंग काइट पसंद.
Okay.
Ijazat.
So it is allowed here in
Yes, sir, allowed.
Islamabad, Pindi.
Yes,
Do you know
Pindi,
it?
Lahore,
I
Who's
don't know
asking?
actually. I'm not aware of it.
3 days
जुमा हफ्ता इतवार.
So it is allowed
Yes,
for
sir.
3 days.
in one
Kite is a ban one man for death. Kite door. She's a.
Very good.
He's a. Gala not. Neck is broken down and cutting. Whatever.
Yes, yes. I heard about that.
Yes, sir.
Wake up,
Very good.
then I will wake up on 6 a.m.
Very good.
Then I will go to the washroom. I will wash my face and brush my teeth and I take shower. Then I will come out of bathroom. I
We
will,
know that you cannot stay there. Nobody can
Yes.
stay there. Okay. Everybody has to come out of the washroom.
then I will take my uniform, school uniform.
Okay.
Then I put it.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Yes.
I get uniform.
I get dressed in the uniform.
I
Uniform
get
and
dressed
gown.
in uniform.
Yes.
Then I will, and then I eat breakfast.
Good.
Then I
So what do you usually eat in the breakfast? I mean, anda, paratha, whatever.
no anda paratha.
Okay. So what?
It's balti chai,
What?
Kashmiri chai.
Kashmiri chai. Okay. Okay.
It-
Balti chai. So, are you from Gilgit?
Yes, I am from Delhi.
Not really.
Yes,
Oh man. Yes.
that chai is not sugar.
So it's sugar free.
No, yes, it have salt.
Oh, what kind of salt?
That is simple salt.
Not really. Don't tell me that.
No, really.
They white salt.
Yes,
And it's and
But-
pay for it.
but they-
I'm not going to there.
but they Quetta cafe give you sugar chai, no
Yes,
salt chai.
Yes, they use sugar instead of.
If you eat salt chai, then you are,
Yes, of course.
because it is first time for you.
Okay, you will get your head spinning.
Yes.
Yes.
Then I will put on my socks and shoes.
Very good.
Then I will go to school.
Now, I want to ask you one thing.
Oh,
Do you feel the difference we were recording your first?
yes, I am feeling too much different.
Yes. So, what is the difference actually?
That first time that I scared with the camera.
Yes, you were too much scared.
Yes.
Okay? And everybody, actually, this happens to everybody. Okay.
I
Why?
can.
You are live on camera. Okay. So what you did will go on camera. What you were doing with your mouth. Okay. 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 Yes. Yes, of course. Okay, so you are feeling confident, okay?
Yes.
Of course you should.